Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the download mode in your Huawei PrO. To do this operation, just turn off your device. Like this. Take the USB cable, plug it into your computer. Now plug the USB cable and press and hold this three button: power, volume down and volume up. Phone vibrate, release power button, still holding volume down and volume up. Release volume, and as you see, we are prepared to download mode. And that's it. It can take a little time, so don't worry, just wait it. And for now, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!